It's turkey time on the Smoky Acres. We're making a Chipotle maple turkey breast right here on Backyard Bosses. It's Pit Boss, baby. You know it's going to be good. Hey, everybody. Welcome to Backyard Bosses. I'm Brandon from BKC Cooks. Make sure you subscribe right here on YouTube to the Pit Boss YouTube channel. You can get this playlist, Backyard Bosses, where you'll see me and a bunch of other outstanding pit masters doing all types of great things, y'all. You don't want to miss. Today, we're doing a Chipotle maple turkey breast. I'm really excited about this because it's turkey time, y'all. It's time to get them birds on these smokers, man. This one's going to come together pretty quickly, y'all. Not a whole lot to it, but the results are going to be amazing. We're going to fire up the Navigator 1300, get that thing up to 250. Let's get this bird on here. Let's get cooking. All right, we're starting with a fresh turkey breast. This one's about 4.5 pounds. I'm going to cut this open and get it out of the package. What we want to do is we want to take the skin off because we're smoking this at such a low temperature. Skin is going to be chewy, not pleasant, and it won't be fun to eat. So we're going to get that off, but I'm also going to take off all of the slimy membrane. There will be a part of membrane that stays, but see this slimy stuff? I want to get all that off of there. It's not pleasant to eat, and it doesn't allow for our seasoning to penetrate well, so I'm going to get all of that off of there and get ready to season this thing up. Now it's time to hit this thing with the seasoning. I'm using the Pit Boss Maple Chipotle Rub. This is going to be savory, sweet, spicy, just all around delicious. This is a big piece of meat, so you want to go pretty heavy with this. And you want to make sure that all of the surfaces are covered. We don't want to leave any bare spots. We'll get this thing flipped over. Do the other side the exact same way. Make sure you don't miss anything. This is how it should look when you're done. All right, it's time to get this turkey breast on. We'll put it on the smoker at 250. I think this is going to take about 90 minutes before we wrap it. Get it nice and centered. That's going to be it. We're going to check this I'm going to check it in an hour. I want to get this up to about 145 before I wrap it. I'll wrap it, put a ton of butter in there, and then we'll take that up to 160, and it'll carry up to 165. So lid down, let's get to smoking. All right, we've been rolling smoke for an hour, and we're going to take a quick look, see how this thing is going. And I like the way that's going. I like the way the crust is setting up on there. I got a little pooling here, which I'm not too concerned about. If I were doing a brisket, something like that, where I wanted like this really heavy bark, I would try to tip that juice that's pooling there. But for this, I'm not too concerned about it. And, hey, any kind of juiciness can only help this thing. So I'm going to go lid back down. Just by touch, I can let you know we're not even close to temping it. So we're going to let this go for another half hour. And then at that point, I'll take a temp on it. All right, it's been about 30 minutes. Let's take a quick reading here. Going in the thickest part is going to give me most accurate reading. All right, so it's up to 117. We've got a little while to go, so we're going to go lid back down. This thermometer will beep when it reaches the temperature I've got set. I've got it set to 145 because, again, I want to pull it there, and I'll let it climb up as it's wrapped and soaking in butter. So, yeah, we'll check back on it. All right, we've hit 145. So we're going to get ready to wrap this thing up in butter. Let's take a look. All right, I like the way that's looking. That little pool, puddle, whatever you want to call it, that dried up. Let me shut this off. I like the color. It's seasoning is all set on there. It's not going to set up a bark like a brisket or anything like that, but it's not going anywhere. It means our seasoning's going to stick. It's going to have a nice crust. We're going to get this off, get it wrapped up in foil and butter, and back on the smoker. All right, come take a look at this. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to do a double up because I don't think this is going to be wide enough for me to wrap this effectively. And I got the wind fighting me too, so I have to move quickly. So what I'm going to do is I'm doing two of these side by side. I'm going to overlap to give me enough width to wrap this up properly. All right, so I'm using unsalted butter because we have enough salt on our bird already. Plus, it is pre-brined. Salt. It's easy to add, but it's hard to take away. So I'm just going to get some nice pats here. I'm leaving the probe in. I'm actually going to use that probe to my advantage. I'm wrapping this up tight in the foil because I don't want to lose heat. I don't want to lose the juices, more importantly. And so because I have that seam, I'm actually going to come around with one more piece, make sure nothing leaks out. Again, we still have our probe in there. That's going to allow us to keep an eye on the temperature without having to keep poking at it and opening it up and doing all that kind of crazy stuff. So back on it goes. We're still at 250. I'm going to pull this off somewhere around 158, 160 and let it climb up to 165. Once that's done, we'll rest. We'll slice and eat. All right. We hit 160. Just kind of let this thing rest. So we're going to take it off the smoker. We're going to let it rest for a minimum of 20 minutes, probably 30. I'm going to check and make sure not a bunch of juice leaking or anything like that. So we're in business. We'll take it off. We're going to let it rest at least 20 minutes. Then we'll open her up, get it sliced, and do the best part. Eat that thing. All right, this bird is done resting. Oh yeah. This looks great. This looks amazing. Get our probe out of there. Shoosh. See all the juices, all our seasoning on there. I can't wait. I'm going to get this sliced up and do the taste test. All right, y'all, we're sliced up. It's time to taste. Look at that beautiful, beautiful piece of turkey. It's as juicy as can be. It's coming right apart. Boy, oh boy. So tender. Super, super juicy. Great smoke. The flavor on this rub is sweet, it's spicy, savory. Got that good buttery deliciousness coming through. It's a great way to do turkey time, y'all. Yeah, it's going to be a good dinner. Make sure you subscribe right here to the Backyard Bosses playlist on the Pit Boss YouTube channel. That way you don't miss any of the great cooks we have going on. Going to be a bunch more turkey time videos, y'all. Make sure you're locked in. You can find me all over the place. Look for BKC Cooks. I will be there. Thank y'all for watching Backyard Bosses. Wish y'all wonderful, happy holidays. We'll see y'all soon.